closeness, and comfort. Flex Electric Shaver for men with 360 degrees adaptation for a smooth shave, even in tricky areas. Best efficiency. Auto Sense technology reads and adapts power to beard density, shaving even dense beards. Battery power. Li-ion battery for up to 3 shaving weeks, 15 minutes. 5 minutes quick charge for 1 full shave, 100% waterproof. Wet and dry men's electric razors are 100% waterproof, easy to clean, and can be used with foam, gel, or even under the shower. Includes 4-in-1 SmartCare Center, beard trim attachment.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.